In this video, I will show you how to set up a comment automation with Tweet Hunter. So, for example, if somebody comments something like send or DM or contact, then you will send an automatic DM to that person once they comment. So this is actually a very easy process with a tool called Tweet Hunter. And if you want to get the best discounts available, make sure to check out the link in the description below to get started with Tweet Hunter. So first, what you need to do is you need to create a tweet. So once you have your Tweet Hunter account in place, log in into your account and create a tweet. Why do you need to create a tweet? Tweet Hunter's Auto DM tool works with the content and prompts you give it to achieve your goals. For instance, if you want to have more engagement on tweets, you can state your intention to share a free resource with whoever engaged with a tweet. You can also upload your tweet immediately or schedule it for another time using the Tweet Hunter's Add to Queue function. However, it is important to inform Twitter users they will receive a DM upon engaging your tweet, and this is mandatory, so keep that in mind. And then you need to let them know that adding words like DM, send, or other words in the comment section of your tweet will trigger an immediate response in the end. So right here. Right. Then as you can see, you can add it to queue over here. You can tweet it right now over here. And this is where you can compose your tweet. Alright, so step 2, activate the advanced options. So after creating your tweet, click on the advanced option to continue the process. The advanced options consist of a list of settings that will affect the just created content only. So tap on here, and here you'll see the advanced options. As you can see, thread delay, auto DM, and auto DM is what we want to do right now. And basically, when someone comments something like send or comment or DM, you will send an automatic DM. So as you can see, set up your DM message. Next, toggle on the auto DM setting under advanced options to check the conditions for receiving an auto DM. You can check all of these functions, and if you check all of that, the user must retweet, reply, and like in order to let the auto DM work. Alright, after selecting your option, create a good DM message for your new follower, prospect, or lead. Make sure your message does not look like a bot-generated or spam content. So, does Twitter allow auto DMs? Yes, Twitter does allow auto DMs as far as your third-party application complies with the Twitter automation's rules. So, that is the case. So here you can write your DM, and a great thing if you write like for the hey and then the first name like in a little bracket, then it will automatically select the first name of the user. So that is great. As you can see, hey Thibaut, something like that. So that is basically how you can set up a comment automation with Tweet Hunter. Remember, if you want to get the best discounts for Tweet Hunter, make sure to check out the link in the description down below. So I will see you guys in the next video.